There are birds.
The sky belongs to the birds, although they are also the masters of the land and sea. No other group of animals could venture so high in the air, nest in all land masses, and dive such great depths below the water. Images of birds in flight soaring through the sky, signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not a skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let us start this show by welcoming our flag racing bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit is a red and green macaw, also known as the grizzly macaw. Now, macaws are widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show has officially started. Let's give a round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit. So hello everyone, and maayong hapon ninyong tanan, and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. My name is James, and I will be your host for today's show. Now guys, for our next featured birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And today they will battle it over who is the best in a basketball competition. So let's wait for our birds. So this right here is Blue. And this is Azul. Now before I start this friendly battle, I shall divide you guys into two groups. The boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say go Blue! Go Blue! And the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul! Go Azul! Okay, very good. Now guys, are you ready for the basketball game? Okay, birds ready. Trainers ready. Stand, go! Both birds on the table. Come on, Blue. Azul is the first ball. Come on, Blue. Azul is the first ball. Ball by Blue. Okay? Okay, Blue wins the game. That's alright, Azul. So, Trainer Christian, you lost the game. What can you say?
Hold it, Trainer Kat. We want another game.
Okay, what's another game?
Are you sure about that? Do you want us to lose again? I'm pretty sure this time we're gonna win.
Very confident.
So what race do you have in mind?
So yeah, what race?
We want a ring race.
So explain to us what is a ring race.
Now the first bird who puts 3 rings into the same hole, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, in a ring race it shall be. Now remember girls, boys have already 1 point, so let's cheer Azul this time to win this game. And let's do it with a ring race. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? Okay, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Both birds table, leading by Blue wins first ring, followed by second. What is this? Azul picks up 3 rings at the same time. So trainer Kappa, did you see the 3 rings at the same time? What can you say?
Hey, what's that, Trainer Christian? You guys cheated!
So it true that you cheat?
Girls, did we cheat? We didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
So is it true that the girls are wiser than the boys? Now let's give a round of applause for our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. This time guys, I need one adult volunteer with a 20, 50 or 100 peso bill. Please raise your hand, I'll choose you among the crowd. Or any money bill will do.
Let's watch first, Sab. And then we will go later. No more running, no more running.
Those pirates are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and physically inclined creatures. Please stand right there, face towards me, and extend your left arm like this. So guys, I will be inserting the money right between her fingers. So no matter what happens, please don't try to move or swing your arm. Now let's meet our money bird, Blue. Our money bird Blue can detect if the money is fake or not. Okay, Blue, shall we? Blue flies over, gets the money, and what's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table, and guess what? Blue wants to donate your money! So now, I have a question. Are you okay that Blue donated the money? Since you're okay now, let's do a second round. 500 peso this time. 500. These are jumping ones, so part of the show. We will return your money, but first Blue wants to have a photo opportunity with you. So you can use your phone and our official photographer right there. Give a round of applause for our volunteer, our money bird, Blue. Now this time guys, we are going to show you our 3 different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have a green-winged macaw bandit, our eclectus parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now guys, you're gonna have a close-up interaction with these lovely birds. And just a friendly reminder, please do not try to reach or grab our birds. Thank you. So this right here is red, that one is Goldie, and that one is Bandit. Now okay guys, let's start. Now on your right is our green-winged macaw bandit. As you can see, their body is covered with red plumage. They have a white naked face striped with small red feathers. And their tail and wing feathers are blue and green. And they're also the second largest macaw, next to the hyacinth macaw. That is why they call the gentle giants of the parrot family. Now bandit's scientific name is Arachnopterus. Now say hi to everyone, Bandit. Hi. How about that side? Hello. Okay, very good. Now up next right there is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now both birds have a solid blue on his back and a yellowish underside wings and belly. Their eyes and feet are solid black. Now those birds can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Now Goldie's scientific name is Arauna. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaws. our Eclectus parrot red. Now, Eclectus parrot are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish whether it's a male or a female Eclectus parrot. Now, red right here is a female Eclectus parrot. That's because of her bright red colored feathers. Now, as of the male, they have a bright green colored feathers. Now, Eclectus parrot scientific name is and also, did you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they can only have one partner for their entire lifetime. Now let's talk about our parrots' lifespan. Our Eclectus parrot red here can live up to 30 to 40 years old. Now our macaws, bandit and goldfish, they can live up to 70 years old. And that's it for 3 kinds of parrot here in Cebu Ocean Park. Once again, we have our goldie or blue and gold macaw, bandit, our green wing macaw, and our Eclectus parrot red.